What's up guys, Cece here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, stick around and see if this is something you're interested in. If you like the vibe, like, share and subscribe and be a part of the family. So guys, I finally welcome to Vlogmas day 5. We're still going strong. Let's see. But I finally took my braids out. Finally. I didn't wash it though. I didn't wash my hair because I need a fast protective style for like a week or 2, but I need a fast protective hairstyle, so I didn't want to wash it and then I decided to gel it down again, so that'll make sense. So I'm just gonna put it in a bun right now and go on the road. I have a lot of errands to run. I need to go to the bank. I got my final check, so I need to go cash that, and I need to call the boat to see when I could ship my car. Did I tell you guys I'm moving? Yes, well no, that vlog hasn't come out as yet, but I'm moving, so I gotta call the shipping company. I gotta go to the harbor and find out which days they actually ship and go to Nassau, so I could put my car on the boat and send it over. So next week Monday I'll be moving to Nassau, Bahamas, guys. I'm leaving Freeport. I've been here since I left Jamaica, maybe 17 years. So it's gonna be new. It's going to be a new setting, and Nassau is so much like Jamaica. I'm scared, like in the terms of the hustle and bustle. It's active, it's the big city, it's crime filled. A lot is there to do, like entertainment wise, but it's just, they drive bad, the roads are horrible, all sound horrible, but there's positives in there, you know. The money is better, opportunity is better, the standard of living is better, but you know, you gotta take the good with the bad. Anyways, let's get started. I'll see you guys when I'm in the car and I'll talk to you guys some more. Okay guys, we're finally on the road. The first stop is the bank. We're going to the bank, and then I'm going to the internet company, pay the internet, and then I could go to the shipping company. I gotta pick up the inventory for my business, and then I have to go to another little store called Atlantic Paper. I'm gonna get the bags and stuff because we're making gift packages to sell, Christmas gift packages for kids. And yeah, that's just half of the stuff I have to do today. So let's get it, let's start, let's do it. We're at the bank. This bank is festive. Very festive. Thank God the lines ain't crazy. I'm third in line. I'm back from the bank, but I didn't get started. I really thought this was gonna be 1, 2, 3, but this look like it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't realize that the bank that the check was written out from is not my bank, so I have to go to First Caribbean Bank. My bank is Commonwealth. I don't like that bank, dude. It's always packed. You see how empty that bank was? My bank. Let's see how this bank is gonna be, and it's Monday. I'm sure it's full. Oh my gosh, I just want my money. So my bank, they said I could only deposit it and there would be like a 2-day hold on it if they do deposit it. I'm like, no, I want my money now. I want my money like yesterday. I could have gone that way. Should have gone that way. Alright guys, I'll talk to you when I'm in the next bank. As expected, this bank is horrible. The line is outside, so I'm outside waiting to go in. Finished with the bank and the line was so long. I called the mailboat and find out what I need to do to send my car, to ship my car over to Nassau. Now I'm finding out that they only go to Nassau once a week, which is Thursday, and I was planning to send the car next week Monday, so I have to send it Thursday. And I also found out that I have to go to this immigration department place and bring the title of my car, and they have to give me a letter letting the mailboat know that yes, they could accept my car. So without that, I can't ship the car. So much I didn't know. I was just gonna pull up on Monday and say, hey, I shipping my car, like, where do I go? And I would have been upset, because hell no, they're not gonna take your car without that letter. But I'm at the complex now to find out how I get the letter. Hopefully it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's go. So I got the letter to approve my car so they could accept it at the shipping company, the mailboat. I'm leaving on Monday, so if I have to drop the car off Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I'm gonna be carless. I need to go back and forth to the airport. I need to go to the pop-up event, the Christmas event, that's Sunday. And I'm sure I'm gonna have other little running around to do. So this is annoying. So I'm gonna have to rely on my mom and her car to go places. We're gonna figure it out. We'll figure it out. I just want my car on the boat, and then I could get on the plane and we're out of here, and then we gone. But I'm at the shipping company now to pick up the packages. This is exciting. I love getting packages. It's like it's mine, but it's not mine. It's inventory. It's people things. But that's still good because that's money. You know, you're making money. Even better. So I'll see you guys inside. I got my stuff, but that's a lot of money. Man, I spent $150 just now just picking up stuff. I ain't like that, man. I don't like that. But I had something there that was for almost $200, and I was paying on it when I feel like. So that balance was $50. So minus that, I spent $100 picking up these stuff. Now I'm going to the internet company. I'm gonna put some money on my internet. I need to close it out since I am moving. Okay guys, we're finished with BTC, finished with the internet company, and now I'm heading to Atlantic Paper to get the bags and the candy for the gift packages that I'm making. But I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day, so I need to find food. I go stop at Jamaican Delight, see if they have fried dumpling. That's what I normally get from them, the Jamaican restaurant. But that's always something that goes fast, and it's probably after 1 now, so I don't know if any left, but let's see. So guys, Jamaican Delight didn't have any fried dumpling left, so I'm still hungry. I still ain't eat. I'm going to get the candies now. Hopefully they have it. The last time I checked, they said they was waiting on a shipment and I should come back, and that was a few days ago. So please, please, please. Good day. Guys, I'm over today. I'm over the day. Oh my gosh, the place didn't have any candy, but I went to 2 other stores and I found some. So I'm gonna work with what I have. I'm so tired. I still haven't eaten all day. Like, I'm hungry. I'm getting a headache how hungry I am. But I don't want to buy fast food. I want to go home. I want to go home. We're at Atlantic Paper. Let's see. They still want you sanitize. Good day. Oh. And I should have like these. $5. How you doing? I came to get some of those bags, please. Oh. Good day. Guys, I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and let them know that we vlogging. We out here vlogging. Okay guys, I'm back home and I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from the shipping company. Oh, and this is what I'm wearing, just a top and some black jeans and some slippers. But don't mind these boxes. I need them because I'm moving. I need to be packing. But let me show you what I got. This is a Christmas PJ, Christmas pajama. I like the feel. And then the matching bottoms. This is women in size, I think that's small, size small. There's another PJ.
This one is cute. I love this one with the reindeers. Oh, this is a onesie pajama. Isn't the pattern just cute? So cute. And this is small as well. And small. This is, oh, I remember this. This is also something for my customer. This is a birthday outfit for one of my customers. And oh, this is the machine. I finally picked it up. This is the portrait 3. So I'll be able to design patterns and stuff, so I could print it on t-shirts and gift cards and caps, just to customize stuff. And I'm extending my business to start doing customized outfit like this. So in the future, if my customer want to purchase something like this for their kid's birthday, I don't have to buy this offline and then resell it. I could customize something for them and sell it, you know. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to expand and do that. But let me show you the candies that I got, because definitely not what I was looking for. But it's getting late. I have to start these gift packages right away. Have these, some fun mix. I don't know this brand, but the candies look good. These are nice. These are the chocolate ones, I think. And just some candy cane, mini candy cane. Yeah, that's what I get. That's what I got. So this is the end of day 5. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 6. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join the family and just continue supporting me. I appreciate everyone. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys tomorrow.